Stocks gave back some of the Santa Claus rally today after a 5-day winning streak. West Texas Intermediate oil futures prices closed down 1.7% to $99.58 per barrel after Iran threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz, a vital oil transport route, in response to threat of Western economic sanctions. The U.S. and its allies have accused Iran of using its civilian nuclear program as a cover to develop nuclear weapons, but Iran has denied the charges. If the strait is closed, oil prices will likely skyrocket and a military conflict could erupt. The European Central Bank's balance sheet expanded substantially as it lent Eurozone banks more money last week to keep credit markets open. The banks, however, don't seem to be putting that money to work. Instead, it seems they are depositing it at the central bank. Overnight deposits at the ECB reached an all-time high of 452 billion euros yesterday. Normally, that facility is only used by banks for excess cash, as they typically book a loss on that cash. This news renewed fears of financial instability throughout the region, driving markets down. The euro slid to 129 versus the dollar, a level not seen since January. On the bright side, Macy's ended the day up 1.2% to $32.67. The department store benefited today from a 4.5% increase in retail sales in the week before Christmas. Last-minute shoppers took advantage of the extended hours at some retailers, including Macy's. All three indices were down on the day. The Dow ended down 140 points to 12,151. The S&P was down 16 points to 1249, and the Nasdaq was down 35 points to 2589.